How to fix Snapchat notification sound not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Snapchat application from your device and get logged into your account. Now tap onto your Bitmoji on your top left. Here tap onto settings. Now under here tap onto notifications. And make sure that you have enabled notification for this device. Tap on enable notifications. It will take you to your app's notification from your system settings. Toggle this button on and make sure you toggle on allow sound and vibrations. Now come back and tap on notifications again and check all these boxes. As you check all these boxes, it will provide notification for all the boxes that you have checked. In case you would like to receive promotional message as well, you can go ahead and check the last box or just leave it unchecked. And just like so, this is how you can fix it. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.